journey through the rich and colorful history of the Philippine literature. From myths of our ancestors to the voice of today, this is the Philippine Literature Comes Alive. Before colonizers arrived, Filipinos have epic and legends passed from generations to generations. Napakinggan niyo na ba ang alamat ni Lamang, ang bayani na nagsalita pagkasilang pa lamang?
Ipaghihiganti ko ang pagkamatay ng aking ama! Ako'y lalaban!
During the Spanish rule, writing became a form of resistance. One hero rose through the literature, Jose Rizal.
Hindi para sa sarili ko ang aking panulat, kundi para sa inang bayan, sa pamamagitan ng Noli Me Tangere.
Tigil mo yan! Kaway na aresto!
Isulat ninyo ang aking mga salita sa kasaysayan.
During the Japanese occupation, fear ruled, but the Filipino spirits refused to be silenced. Writers turned to poetry, metaphor, and hidden meanings to protect their voices. Under American influence, Filipino writers began using English, yet they still wrote about freedom and national identity. Today, literature is no longer limited to pages. It lives in blogs, fanfiction, ebooks, and social media. Literature reflects who we are. It tells a story, past, present, and future. Mabuhay ang politikang Pilipino mula noon hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat po.
One is the loneliest number that you'll